Let us do this question. In this, it says there is a pulley like this, and this pulley has block M1 here, and there is another movable pulley that is attached, which is attached to M2 and M3. Okay, this is how block has been attached. Fine. Now, this is one string. This whole thing is one string. Okay. So tension will be same in this string. Then this thing is the tension in this string. This is another string. There is new tension. If this I take it as this one is tension T, this would be 2T. This will also be 2T. Okay. So first let us draw FPD till this part. Only this part, let us draw FPD and let us find out. And I am assuming that this is going upwards with acceleration A. On this side, it is coming down with acceleration O. So I can write the equation as P minus M2G is equals to M2 into A, because tension is upwards, acceleration is upwards, so tension will be more. On the other side, M3G minus tension is equals to M3A. This would give us tension and tension gets cancelled. M3 minus M2 into G is equals to M2 plus M3 into A. This is what you're going to get. Acceleration is equals to M3 minus M2 upon M2 plus M3 into G. This is my acceleration of the wheel. Now, using this acceleration, substitute in any one of the equations to get the tension value. Okay. Now let us write the tension value. Tension T minus M2G is equals to M2 into, in the place of acceleration, I am putting M3 minus M2 upon M2 plus M3 into G. Now, tension T is equals to, if I send this M2G on that side, that would become M2G M3 minus M2 divided by M2 plus M3 plus M2G. This M2G, I have sent it on that side and it got added. Okay. Now, if both the equations, M2G is common. Can I take it common? So P is equals to, if I take M2G common, that would be M3 minus M2 upon M2 plus M3 plus 1. When you do the LCM and do it, M2G, M3 minus M2 plus M2 plus M3 whole divided by M2 plus 1. Plus M2 minus M2 gets cancelled. So we are left out with M2G, M3 plus M3 is 2M3 divided by M2 plus M3. This is my tension. The tension value is equals to 2M2 M3G upon M2 plus, this is the tension. Okay. So tension value is this much. Now what we see is block M should be at rest. If you want block M to be at rest, that means 2T must be equal to M1 into G. Then only the block will be at rest. Okay. So let me clear all this. And so 2T is equals to M1G. Let us take a new slide. So 2T is equals to M1 into G. And the tension that we have got is equals to how much? 2M2 M3G divided by M2 plus M3. 2M2 M3G divided by 2M2 M3G divided by M2 plus M3. This is our tension. So 2M2 M3 divided by M2 plus M3. Okay. Now, what can we write? 2T must be equal to M1 into. So in the place of tension, can I substitute M2 M3 into G upon M2 plus M3 is equals to my M1 into G. G, so G cancel. So let us multiply two inside. So 4 M2 M3 by M2 plus M3 is equals to M1. Okay. This is what we have got. 4 M2 M3. Now let us multiply 4m2 n3 is equals to m1 into m2 plus m2. That is nothing but 4m2 m3 is equals to m1 m2 plus m1 m2. So now what's he asking? He's asking in terms of m1, m2, and m2. What we do is let us uh, divide this entire equation with m1. Okay, let us divide this entire equation with m1. Here m1, here also m1. So this, and it is 4m2 m3 divided by m1 is equals to m2 plus m3. Now what we'll do? Let us divide this entire equation again m2. If I divide this m2 divided by m2 gets cancelled, this and this gets cancelled. 4m3 by m1 is equals to 1 plus m3 by m3. Now what I do? Let us divide this entire equation with m3 again. So m3, m3, and m3. M3 gets cancelled. M3 gets cancelled. You are going to get 4 by m1 plus 1 by m3. So 4 by m1 is equals to 1 by m3 plus 1 by m2. This is what will be left out. We will left out with this. So 4m1 is equals to 1 by m3 plus 1 by m2. That is your answer for this question. I hope you understood this. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. So the option for this would be P. Option is